back to Katie's Co-Creations, and in this video I'm going to be doing not one, but two slime tutorials, and I am very excited because I did not do any slime videos, any slime anything on my channel. So before we get started with the video, I want to apologize that I am so sorry for not filming in like the longest time ever. Because I've been so busy with my life. Does anyone not like this? I'm like busy. So busy. So let's just move on. And before we get started with this video, make sure you go in the description box down below and click that big red subscribe button. It's pretty big. You should notice it. And then click it and then it'll turn gray, which means you subscribed. And beside it, when you do that, there's this notification bell where you click that once you subscribed, and then it notifies you every single time I post a new video, so you never ever miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's get straight on with the slime tutorials. So first things first, I'm just going to be getting my blue glitter glue for this glitter glue slime. And as you can tell, the cap was not off, so I had to take that off. And then finally I have to squeeze it, which it was pretty hard to squeeze. So with all these, it was pretty hard. And there isn't too much blue in this one. There isn't too much of any in any of them. And then next is purple, which this one's really nice. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really nice. It's just very hard to squeeze. That is the only thing. And then third things third is the silver glitter glue, which is absolutely beautiful. It is by far my most favorite. And just squeeze that some more and more. And then we're going to just start stirring them all together. I didn't really have that much, so that's why there isn't a lot of stuff to mix. So sorry about that. And then you're just gonna add some clear soft soap and put a little pump of that, and I added a lot of that. So yeah, it's a little too much, but whatever. And then you're going to stir that once again. There's a lot of stirring for this slime, at least any slime to be honest. And then I was just shaking up the soft soap and adding some more because mine was almost empty, and I wasn't thinking how much I had already in the like slime. And now lastly is the slime activator. I added just a couple drops of that, and then you're going to stir once again. And as you can tell, it's getting like a dark color. And then now my slime is thickening up a little bit. So now I'm getting in with my hands, stretching and playing with it. And it's a little sticky, so I had to add activator. And my bowl was pretty messy. And it was really soapy when I was touching it, so I added a little too much soap. So as you can tell, it's like not the best. And you can see the soap on my table. It's not really that good. I shouldn't have added any soap, but whatever, it's still a fun ooey gooey kind of slime. I wouldn't call it necessarily a fail. I believe it's still pretty good. So first things first, once again, you are just going to be adding some white Elmer's glue into your bowl. And then you are just going to get some body lotion or hand cream. And my body lotion is scented vanilla, and it smells so good, which makes my slime smell like vanilla, and it's absolutely so good smelling. So you're just going to get some clear soft soap then once again, but this time I realized not to add as much, no matter if that wouldn't make a difference as much as the other slime did, so I just added some of that into my bowl. And then I got my spoon and started to stir. And so far it should be like this glossy type of consistency. And then now we are just going to start adding some green paint, or you can add food coloring, and it can be optional. It's up to you. And then here, I had to go and change the lighting, so I'm very sorry about that. And I paused out me adding some activator, so as you can tell, you need to add some activator. You're just going to get your spoon again and stir in your activator. And my slime is turning out to be a teal slime, which looks beautiful. And then I'm just going to keep on adding some activator. And just stirring once again. And now I'm getting in with my hands and kneading it together, and then putting it on my table to mix together and add some activator. So here, as you can tell, it's really sticky, so I'm adding some activator and stirring it in. So this is the finished product, and it's a very beautiful glossy texture. I really love it. And now I'm just going to be doing some slime ASMR. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and before I leave, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. I think these slimes turned out amazing, but the first one was a little fail. But it's still really fun to play with since it's ooey and gooey. And then the second slime was absolutely my favorite. It was all green, stretchy, and fun. So before I leave, once again, if you want to see more slime videos here with me on my channel, make sure to give this video 10 likes. Well, give it at least 1 like. And then if we can get higher than 10 or just 10, I will be posting more slime videos here with me on my channel. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bye!